Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate user flows in Figma for UX branding, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your Figma project. Select the frame where you want to create the user flow. Navigate to the toolbar at the top of the window. Find and click on the Prototype tab. You will see a panel on the right side of the screen. Within this panel, locate the Flow Starting Point section. Select the frame that will act as your starting point for the user flow. Next, create a link from this starting frame to the next screen in your flow. To do this, click on the Prototype connector. Drag the connector from the current frame to the target frame. Release the mouse button to establish the link. In the right panel, adjust the interaction details. Choose the trigger type, such as on click or after delay. Set the animation type to define how the transition occurs. Repeat these steps for each subsequent frame in your user flow. As you create connections, ensure clarity in navigation. Use consistent naming conventions for each flow to maintain organization. You can also group related frames into a single flow. To do this, select the frames you wish to include. Then, click on the Create Flow button in the right panel. This helps in managing complex user flows easily. Once your flows are set up, preview them by clicking the Play button. This allows you to interact with the user flow as an end user would. Make any necessary adjustments to the flows based on your testing. Incorporate feedback to enhance the overall user experience. Remember to save your progress regularly. You can also share your user flows with team members for collaboration. Export your flows as needed for presentations or documentation. Utilize the user flows as a guiding framework for your UX branding decisions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.